Stop scrolling, this is for you. If you feel stuck in life, listen carefully. You're not stuck. You're becoming someone stronger than you were yesterday. Don't quit now. Your future self is counting on you. Hey everyone, do you ever feel like you're stuck? Like you're running on a treadmill, putting in all this effort, but going absolutely nowhere? Maybe you see your friends hitting these huge milestones, new jobs, new relationships, new cities, and you're still here. It's a frustrating, lonely feeling, isn't it? It can make you question everything you're doing. I want to share something with you that completely changed my perspective on this. It's a story about an old man talking to his family. He said, "When you are young, you think being slow means you are failing, but I have lived long enough to know slow growth is still growth, and becoming takes time." Let that sink in. Slow growth is still growth. We live in a world that glorifies speed. Instant success, overnight fame, quick fixes. We constantly bombarded with highlight reels that make it seem like everyone else has it all figured out, and they got there fast. But that's not the reality. That's just the final chapter of a very long book. Think about a giant redwood tree. It doesn't shoot up overnight. It spends years, even decades, building a deep, strong root system underground, completely hidden from view. To an outsider, it might look like nothing is happening. But beneath the surface, it's creating the foundation it needs to stand tall for centuries. That's you right now. You're not stuck. You're building your roots. Every small step you take, every book you read, every new skill you try to learn, every time you choose to rest instead of quitting, that's you building your foundation. It's the unseen work. It's the slow, steady, and often messy process of becoming. We often mistake a lack of visible progress for failure. But what if this stuck feeling is actually a sign of transformation? Think of a caterpillar in its chrysalis. From the outside, it's just hanging there, completely still. But inside, a radical, profound change is happening. It's dissolving its old self to become something entirely new, something capable of flight. It's not stuck. It's in a crucial stage of becoming. Maybe this period of your life isn't a standstill. Maybe it's your chrysalis. It's the time you need to shed old habits, unlearn limiting beliefs, and figure out who you truly want to be. This process is rarely glamorous. It can be uncomfortable, confusing, and it definitely doesn't happen on a convenient timeline. But it is essential. Embrace the slowness. Celebrate the tiny wins. Did you get out of bed today when it felt impossible? That's growth. Did you spend 10 minutes learning something new? That's growth. Did you choose kindness for yourself when your inner critic was screaming? That is powerful growth. Your journey is unique to you. It's not supposed to look like anyone else's. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Your timeline is your own, and it is perfect for the story you're meant to live. Remember, a masterpiece takes time to create. A diamond is formed under immense pressure over a very long period. You are no different. So the next time you feel that wave of frustration, that feeling of being left behind, I want you to gently remind yourself, I am not stuck. I am not failing. I am simply becoming, and becoming takes time. You are building your roots. You are in your chrysalis. You are slowly and steadily growing into the incredible person you are destined to be. Be patient with yourself. Trust the process. Slow growth is still growth. Thanks for watching. If this message resonated with you, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Take care.